Hello there, good morning. So I thought I would try out a little vlog today. What do you guys think? Should we do it? I am just now kind of getting ready for the day, getting a little bit of a late start today. But if you guys don't know, I do work from home every day for my job. So I thought it might be interesting to see what I do today. I think what I'm gonna do is get ready, get dressed, and then go to a little like vegan cafe nearby. I'll get some work done, get some food. I try not to go do that kind of thing all too often, but I had a pretty productive week and I kind of just want to reward myself for that. Also, I do have a lot to do today for work, so it always helps to get out of the house. I'm usually quite a bit more productive when I am at a coffee shop or something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna get dressed, maybe show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna put on some sunscreen and a little makeup, and we'll get going. Sunscreen of the day is gonna be my Supergoop Everyday Sunscreen. This is almost gone, but I'm gonna miss it when it's gone.
You're so cute!
What do you see out there? Thought I'd show you guys my OOTD. So this little sweatshirt pullover Sherpa, is that what it's called? Got it from TJMaxx a couple weeks ago. It's super comfy. And then these jeans, I've been wearing these jeans like every day. I got them secondhand from Buffalo Exchange, but they're originally from Banana Republic. Boots are from Target. A New Day is the brand, and I gotta tell you, Target has the best shoes and boots. They really do, hands down. These are also a faux suede material. And then this bag is also from Target. I like it because you can wear it over the shoulder or you can wear it as a backpack. So pretty versatile. Alright, so just got back in my car. It is chilly outside. I got a good amount of work done. I had some really good food, some really good coffee, feeling good. I am about to go meet with a client. I don't know if I've told you guys this, but I do quite a bit of pet sitting on the side, kind of like as a side hustle. I haven't been doing it as much lately, but I do have one coming up. I'll be taking care of a little black cat next week, and so I have to go meet up with the owner and pick up the key. And I also kind of spontaneously made a hair appointment for later today. Been really needing a haircut. I haven't gotten a professional haircut since I think March, so it's been like 7 months. And I think in the summer, like in July, I did cut my own hair, but it's looking kind of rough now, just the way that it's grown out, and I cut it literally like straight across. So I just want to get some light layers put in. I know I need to trim because I have split ends, so I'm gonna go do that later. And then I may, if I get done with that in time, I might try to go to a yoga class after that. So that's done. I'm about to go to the car wash because my car is covered in bird poop. Like, I'm telling you, I don't know how it got this bad. So we're gonna take care of that. I might go home, try to get a little more work done, and then I think it'll be time to go to my hair appointment, which I'm really excited about. Heidi, I'm back. I'm back. I love you. Hi. Sweet angel. This is how she greets me every time I come home. She's always so happy. So happy. Yeah. Ooh, so long. Wow. Oh my god, I cannot believe how cute this cat is. I really can't. So I just got out of my hair appointment and basically just asked her to keep most of the length that I already had. I think she may have taken off like 1.5 inches just to kind of trim off the ends, and then she added some layers because my main thing that I struggle with is my hair is really fine, and so it can get very flat, and when it was all one length it was just weighing itself down. So I'm thinking, and she said that the layers would really help like give it a little boost and make it a little bouncier, so I'm really happy with it. And then I also bought this purple shampoo from them because I was asking her, because I was saying like I was thinking about maybe using a purple shampoo because I've never colored my hair. This is my natural hair color, and I thought I might like to kind of cool the color down just a little bit. So she said that that would work, and she showed me this one. This is definitely a cruelty-free brand, AG Haircare. I just looked it up. It was $20. I was like, okay, I'll get it, fine. Because I've been really wanting to try purple shampoo for a long time, but I don't just want to get like a cheapo one that may or may not like damage my hair. I don't know. Just decided to go with her expertise on that. So anyway, that's the final result. Really happy with it. She did like loose waves, but of course it's raining, so I walked to my car and now it's like kind of weighed down. So yeah, I'm really excited to have some fresh hair. Feels so nice. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. I just got home from yoga, sat down on my bed, and now Heidi is being so sweet that I don't want to get up. Are you being sweet? Purring a mile a minute. Lately Heidi loves playing with blankets. Like she likes playing under them, around them. Oh, you got it. Wow, you are fast. You are fast and vicious. Oh, you're so cute. Sometimes her arm twitches when she's upside down like this. Are you twitching? Oh my. She's so gentle, except with her teeth. Sometimes she's a little crazy with those teeth. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys what I am having for dinner. So I made this yesterday, kind of like prepped it, and now I have a bunch of leftovers, but it's called a spring roll bowl, and basically it's like a deconstructed spring roll, which is so good. So I made udon noodles, edamame, sauteed some tofu, chopped up some cabbage and carrots and cucumbers, and then I have some peanut sauce I made. It's looking kind of gross right now, but I promise it tastes good. And some fresh cilantro, which actually may not be super fresh. Yeah. And then I'm just going to squeeze some lime on top. So I'll show you guys the finished product in just a moment. But this would be a really great thing for meal prep. Got the recipe off of Pinterest, but I'll try to link it below if I can. Alright, so here's the finished product. Can't really see the noodles very well, and the peanut sauce got kind of thick in the fridge because I made it with like actual peanut butter. Yeah, there it is. Ooh, I may add some hot sauce onto this too. But yeah, that's my dinner. Really yummy. Okay, so to finish off the vlog, I thought it would be fun to show you guys my current nighttime skincare routine. I feel like I'm finally starting to hone in on a skincare routine that's working for me. And I keep it pretty simple, honestly. I'll just show you what I do. The first thing I've been doing is I use an oil to remove my sunscreen and my makeup as like a first cleanse, basically, along with one of my microfiber face cloths. And the one I've been using lately is the Trader Joe's Vitamin E oil. I don't know if I would recommend it or repurchase it because it's actually an oil blend, and it has coconut oil as one of the oils in it, and I'm kind of trying to stay away from ingredients like that because that is an ingredient that can contribute to acne. I mean, there's a lot of things that could be contributing to my acne, but I'm trying to use up what I have, but then once I use up what I have, I want to really simplify things and get rid of anything that might be aggravating my skin, clogging my pores, all of that. Then I wet one of my nice soft cloths. It's basically like a makeup eraser, but it's cheaper. I got it off Amazon. And I just use that to wipe away gently all the stuff that was on my face. The cleanser I've been using is the Alba Botanica Even Advanced Sea Mineral Cleansing Gel. This is probably my 4th bottle of this. It's been a while though since I've had it, and I just recently repurchased it because it was on sale. However, I had forgotten just how heavily scented this was, and I don't mind the scent. It's a pleasant scent, but it does contain fragrance. I think it has like 4 stars on Paula's Choice Beautypedia, which is why I was okay with it for so long, but I'm really, once this is done, we're getting serious about fragrance because I just want to eliminate all of that from my skincare routine, or at least as much as I possibly can. So anyway, this is what I'm using right now. It works perfectly fine, but I had forgotten just how strong that smell was. I remember it being a more mild scent, but it's actually really strong. I don't know if I've just gotten more sensitive to smell or what, but next thing I do is I go in with my liquid exfoliant. This is the only non-drugstore thing that I'm using currently, and it's from Paula's Choice, which is honestly my favorite skincare brand in the world. This is their Anti-Redness exfoliating solution with 2% salicylic acid. It's a BHA exfoliant. I will either apply it with my hands. Lately I've been applying it with one of my reusable cotton rounds, and I do like this way a little bit better. I don't know why. It could just be because it's a habit, but I do end up using way less product when I apply it with just my hands, so I should probably go back to doing that. It's just, this is what I've been doing. I only use this at night. Of course, I'm not showing you my morning skincare routine, but it's actually pretty similar. I use the same cleanser. Of course, I'm not removing my makeup in the morning, but instead of this exfoliant, I actually use an AHA, the Derma Radiance toner. This is a glycolic acid toner. The only thing is it does have fragrance, so it's not something I'd repurchase, but I am enjoying it right now. It's good. I just don't want to continue using something with fragrance forever. But I like this one. So now that that has sunk in, I usually like to let it sink in for a couple minutes. I should probably let it sink in even longer, but who has time for that? Not me. So then what I've been using is this Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. This is their hydrating version, and it contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which I know is really beneficial. So just do a dropper full of that, pat it all over. Sorry, you can't really see my whole face. And this is essentially my serum of the night. Let that sink in, or I just get impatient and then I just go on to the next step. So I'm using the Derma Anti-Wrinkle Renewal Cream. This is almost gone. Give you guys a sneak peek. If you're following my lotion project pan, close your eyes if you don't want a spoiler. But check it out. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can tell that I'm starting to scrape the bottom, so getting close. But this is like, a little goes a long way with this stuff. Really spreads out like a long way. I don't know how else to describe it. This is technically a retinol cream. It contains, yeah, vitamin A, that's retinol. I'm just not sure. I mean, I haven't noticed any kind of like decrease in wrinkles with this, so, but it's nice and rich and hydrating and feels nice, so I don't know. Once again, contains natural fragrance oil, so I wouldn't repurchase it. Moisturizer is on, and then I'm following up with an eye cream. This is the Fleur and B Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. They did send this to me along with the rest of their products. I actually decluttered the vitamin C serum and the rose water toner. Neither one of those were doing any favors for my skin, honestly. I feel like once I completely stopped using them, my skin improved quite a bit. I'm not saying that's 100% why my skin got better, because maybe I was just, you know, introducing other good products, who knows, but I did declutter those. I ended up giving them to a neighbor. I did keep their eye cream and their face cream, because the eye cream I'm only putting around my eye area, so I don't really have to worry about like breakouts with this. It does contain fragrance though, specifically lavender oil, which is not a great thing to be putting on your skin. So that's something that I'm going to use up but not repurchase. But I will say, apart from the fact that it contains fragrance, it does feel really nice. In the morning, if you're curious, instead of the Physicians Formula Hydrating Booster, I use as a serum, or most days, not every day, it depends on how much of a hurry I'm in. If I have time and care to put it on, I'll use the Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. I really don't feel like it does that much for me, but I feel like it brightens a little bit, and it's nice to have that in the morning, so that's what I use in the morning when I feel like it. But I don't always. Honestly, sometimes I skip this too at night. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog there. I need to sit down and edit a video. I appreciate you tuning in for my very first vlog. I'm sure it wasn't like the most top-notch quality wise, but thanks for watching anyway. I hope you enjoyed or got something out of it. I can't promise I'm gonna do these all the time, but maybe I'll do another one. Who knows? Who knows when, but I would like to start incorporating some more vlogs here and there, just like sprinkling them in randomly, kind of as like bonus content maybe. But I hope you guys have a great day or night, whatever time it is for you, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.